Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and system settings. This saves time. First, unplug and firmly reseat the headset, then test with the console voice chat to confirm bass input. Next, open system audio settings and set mic level between 70 and 100% and adjust chat/game balance so voice isn't drowned. Once done, quit Rust and relaunch to force device recognition. These steps solve most immediate issues because Rust uses the console's active input selection. You're now inside Rust. Focus on the game's audio panel. Make sure the voice device field explicitly lists your headset. If it shows default, switch to the named device so the game targets the right input. Then choose push-to-talk or open mic depending on preference and assign a comfortable activation key if needed. Once configured, speak and observe the in-game VU meter. Adjust sensitivity to hit steady levels without peaking. This ensures Rust receives clear, regulated audio from your headset. Finish by ensuring everything is current and isolated. Update your console firmware and Rust to the latest version, then reboot. Updates often patch audio routing bugs. Next, test the headset in party chat or another game to determine whether the issue is Rust-specific or system-wide. If the mic still fails, swap headsets or reset the controller to factory defaults to rule out hardware or controller-level faults. If nothing works, reinstall Rust settings as a last resort. This clears corrupted configs that block mic input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.